You don't get mad at people who led to your current predicament. Who do you blame instead? Me. Blame the truth, brother. Blame the truth. But it ain't gonna change your situation. But instead of going after the real culprits of their predicament, they are going after us. Asian and Indian women choose white men over their own men. Guys, I am not even talking about white females discriminating against Asians. I am talking about Asians. Asian women discriminating against Asian men. Almost 40% of Asian American women don't want an Asian man. Almost 40% of Asian American women don't want to date an Asian man. Asian and Indian women choose white men over their own. Asian and Indian women choose white men over their own men.
What?
When you look at other countries like the UK, the percentage of Asian females who are in an interracial relationship doubles that of Asian men. Doubles that of Asian men. I run experiments, online Tinder experiments. We present you the empirical evidence. You see Asian male models, nice male models can barely get the same amount of matches as a normie 5 out of 10 white guy. Like there are
getting out of this depression and anxiety. It just finally went down after years of
Asian male models, nice male models can barely get the same amount of matches as a normie 5 out of 10 white guy. Like there are countless studies done by universities that show the same thing. Okay, you choose not to believe our real life experiences. You say there is not a solid proof of J
No, no. Oh, he tried it.
of JBW, which is fair enough. But when we present you the empirical evidence, the hard proof, you are still coping, man. Marriage numbers, cohabitation numbers without marriage, the data coming from countless sources showing the same thing. Okay, one is not accurate, the other is not accurate. Are they all wrong? Like all the data, everything is wrong but you're right. Literally every single substantial data and evidence is pointing out the same thing. And despite everything, you still don't have anything to face the reality. You don't go blame all those Asian women who willingly contribute to emasculation of Asian men. You don't go get mad at those Asian females who disproportionately date out compared to white or black women. You don't get mad at females who discriminate against Asian men. You don't get mad at people who led to your current predicament. Who do you blame instead? Me. Blame the truth, brother. Blame the truth. But it ain't gonna change your situation.
I want to show you guys this post, and what he's saying here is actually scientifically proven as well. He says, women will always choose a low mid-tier white male making 24-32 grand a year over an Asian or Indian making over 6 figures. The difference is 247,000 to be exact. I don't agree with the low tier part, but I can see where he's coming from. What I am trying to say is, this topic is a reality for a lot of men in our community, and I mean a lot of men, like this Asian American poster. You getting mad at me doesn't change in people like him a disservice if you don't tell them the truth. These guys get mad at me when I am just trying to help people like this poster by telling them the truth, showing them that it is not their fault, making them understand that it is not that they do something wrong. And then unfortunately there's the other side of this. White cells in our own community, bro. When I talk about GBW, I feel like I have to because nobody else does. When I listen to other channels, they have their heart in the right place, but they lack perspective and information when it comes to this issue. If your color is some Indian and a lot of white people in our community get mad at me for talking about this, they take it personally, even though I am not attacking them when I make these videos. Bro, these are unfortunate realities for a lot of people in our community. I can't ignore this, man. Nobody's going to give it to you as raw as I do. And if it's going to come at the expense of making some people mad or losing some supporters in the process, then it is what it is. That is the price I am willing to pay. It would be much easier for me to just stick to talking about females, appealing to a wider range of people. But that is the sacrifice I am willing to make. And I suggest you do the same in your life. Stay true. Stay true even if it comes with an initial cost. In the long run, it will pay better dividends. In the long run, what is beneficial to mankind stays in the land. Like that verse says, when God sends down water from the sky and floods run through the valleys, certain quantities of foam rise on the surface of the flood water. Eventually, the foam disappears, but what is beneficial to mankind stays in the land. To God, truth and falsehood are like these examples. Exactly. The foam might appear on the top only for so long, bro.